I'm Dyfrig Hughes, Professor of Pharmacoeconomics at Bangor University within the School of Health and Medical Sciences. Pharmacology is the science which concerns the development of medicines. It takes you from the basic discovery through to the mechanism of action of medicines, right through to the development and testing within populations and within clinical trials. It's a discipline which is essential to medicine, of course, as tablets and medicines of all sorts of types are the mainstay of therapeutic interventions. And pharmacologists are the people who discover new medicines. So if we take some examples of antibiotics, which are clearly highly effective medicines for bacterial and other form of infections, and they've transformed society in terms of being able to manage diseases that previously were not managed. And pharmacologists are really at the heart of drug discovery in developing these medicines, both within drug industry but also in academia and within university settings as well. The degree course at Bangor University is broad. It covers the basic sciences, the biochemistry, the learning about basic and therapeutics, right through to elements of toxicology, the cost effectiveness of new medicines, the clinical application of medicines. It's a very broad discipline, but it has that application at its heart, which is to develop pharmacologists competent in the sciences associated with drug discovery and drug development. Students will become critical thinkers. I think there's a really important aspect nowadays to be able to understand evidence, to be able to criticise and critically appraise evidence in an appropriate way. That's one key attribute. The other one is in terms of laboratory skills and techniques and being comfortable in experimentations. There's a large component in the final year of study when they would need to develop a thesis or a dissertation describing a significant piece of work. As part of the study, people would be taught in different ways, and so they would experience and learn in different environments and different settings. There's also an opportunity to engage with external partners, to have placements potentially within commercial sector locally and further afield. And so I think it would equip people with a broad skill set that would make them very employable when they graduate from Bangor University. Many pharmacologists enter the drug company, the drug industry, and that of course is the heart of where drug development and discovery is undertaken. But many graduates can remain in academia, they can pursue higher degrees, master's degree or a PhD, and then become researchers in some aspect of pharmacology. Others may feel that pharmacology perhaps is a stepping stone to other forms of careers. Many go on to become clinical researchers. Others go into very different disciplines altogether, but pharmacology offers students the breadth of skills and knowledge that they can apply it in different ways in the biochemical and the biotech industry and besides.